The Importance of the Four Angular Houses, Michael Gorkellen. Astrologers have found that planets within 8 degrees either side of the angular cusps are very powerful teachers. This is especially important for planets closest to the ascendant, the first cusp, and the midheaven, the 10th cusp. All planets in angular houses are strong, stronger than in any other house, with some exceptions. According to Gorkellen, the most powerful planets are those within 8 degrees applying, moving towards, in an anticlockwise direction, to the angular cusp, but still in the cadent houses. I have found that any planet within 5 degrees of either side of an angular cusp is extremely strong. The 8-degree applying rule is a very good guide. Explore your own chart and see what you think. In Barack Obama's chart, we see that his Sun is conjunct, next to, and applying to his 7th house cusp. It is only 6 degrees away from this cusp. In other words, the Sun is within Gorkellen's sphere of influence. This makes the Sun more influential on the 7th house affairs. It is almost a 7th house planet. It has such an influence there because of this close placement. His Moon is just over 4 degrees past the 4th house cusp. The Moon is separating, moving away from the cusp, going deeper into the house. This too places an emphasis on the 4th house cusp and the Moon, but it is not quite as powerful as an applying aspect. In some ways, we could say that an applying planet stresses the house cusp, while a separating planet emphasizes the planet itself. Hillary Clinton. Using Gorkellen's criteria, we can see that Mercury is 1 degree applying to her ascendant, indicating that her mental faculties are foremost. Venus is just within the 8-degree range. This suggests that her social charm shines through too. I would go one step further and say that her North Node, separating from her 7th house cusp, is also very strong. Next, I would look at any planets at the angles. The Moon is in the 4th house and Jupiter is in the 1st. All these planets are very powerful forces impacting her psyche. Justin Bieber, only Venus in the 4th is in an angular house. But have you noticed the Sun applying to the 4th cusp from the 3rd house? It's within 6 degrees of the cusp, so it is very strong and activating the 4th house. Pluto and the North Node are applying to the ascendant from the 12th house, 1 degree and 3 degrees away, so these are also very powerful and they activate his ascendant with their particular energies. Taylor Swift, Facebook time. That first house is loaded. Her planets within are all strong. But have you spotted the strongest ones? Uranus is 4 degrees applying to the ascendant from the 12th house. That is Gorkellen's special placement. Then there are Jupiter and the Moon applying from the 6th to the 7th cusp, also very powerful. Taylor Swift, Twitter time. Her planets in angular houses are Pluto and Mars in the 4th. This shows strong family and childhood issues, weaknesses and strengths. The North Node on the 7th house cusp is very strong. It is only 2 degrees away from the cusp. Have you decided which birth time is most suitable for her? I'm still not entirely sure because I don't know her personally, but I'm now starting to lean towards her Twitter birth time. What do you think?